Ummi, can we bake? Can we please bake?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Marwah and Leenah's kitchen.
Today we are gonna be making something summery. Today we're gonna be making strawberry lemon tarts. We kind of made it up.
Yeah, so this is the first time we've made it, and we kind of made it up.
Yeah, the filling we kind of made it up-ish.
And it was hard to set up because we wanted to eat all the strawberries.
Yeah.
What's your favorite fruit, Leenah?
Mine is strawberry. What's yours?
Mine is lemon.
Oh.
Was it really hard to set up because there were so many strawberries?
Yeah. I thought yours was lime or lemon.
Kind of both.
Yeah, because they're kind of the same name.
Did you eat some? The strawberries when you were setting up?
I ate 4.
4?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's a lot.
It's not that much.
Almost your age.
Yeah, I'm 1 year older than how much I ate. 5.
So you guys know strawberry and lemon is like a summery kind of treat. So instead we're going to be making it today because our dad doesn't really like the cold weather. So we're going to be making it for him because he doesn't really like snow in winter. He likes summer and spring.
We want to remind our dad about summer because he doesn't like the cold. He likes the warm. And my mom, she loves the cold. So it's a big change for both of them. One likes this weather, one likes the other weather.
So we kind of made up this recipe using all the stuff that we like. So we're really excited to try it out with you guys.
So we're going to be making 3 things, which are the tart shell, the filling, and the strawberries. These are the ingredients that you need for the tart shell. You need some cream cheese, some butter,
some whole wheat flour, and some sugar. Make sure the cream cheese and the butter are soft. So first we're going to put the butter, cream cheese, and the sugar. And then we're going to blend it.
We just love butter. We're licking the butter.
So we're going to add half of the flour at a time.
This time I'll lock it and turn it on, okay?
Oh. Turn it on low. Just low.
Just 1. It's getting so doughy.
And lumpy.
Yeah.
So now, that's pretty much it.
We're gonna take the dough and put it. We're gonna take the dough and put it in the fridge to chill. Yeah, just for 15 minutes. That's it.
Lips.
That's kind of short, but the part when you have to wait is the baddest part.
No, not the baddest.
So you don't even like that part at all. Scrape this and then make it into one big ball of dough.
So while your dough is chilling, we're going to make our filling. This filling is super easy. Anyone can do this.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you some of the things that you're going to put in here.
That you're going to need.
Yeah. So you need some lemon curd.
And also some vanilla Greek yogurt.
Yeah.
And the Greek yogurt is very healthy because it has a lot of protein in it.
So I'm just going to put a few spoons of this and then we're going to mix it and see how it tastes.
We're going to Whoa, plop it in.
Plop, 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 plop.
So while she's adding, I'm going to stir it. It's got to be mixed all the way, so make sure it's fully combined.
Bismillah.
I think there's a little bit too much lemon.
I think.
No, I think it's actually. I think we need a little bit more.
Look, that was so easy. Like everybody could do that. Like almost everybody in the whole world, whoever wants to do this filling.
So now our dough is chilled, and now we're going to cut it into 12 pieces.
Yeah. So when we're done with the dough, when we're done cutting the dough, we're gonna put it in the tray. This is the tray.
So look, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. That makes 12. Because 4 times 3 is 12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have enough.
This is a really easy way of making tart shells. So bake it for 5 to 10 minutes and at 325 degrees. So now while the tarts are baking, we're going to cut our strawberries. Make sure you take off the stems. Oh, Leenah, I forgot to tell you.
Oops, bismillah.
Just cut your strawberries however you want to put them on top of your tarts. You can cut them anyway. You have to let your tarts cool before you add the filling in.
Look, everything is ready. We have the strawberries, and we have our filling.
And then we have our tart shell.
Yeah, our tart shell.
So now we're just gonna get ready. Now we're gonna assemble all our stuff. So don't put too much filling to make it overflow, and because you need room for the strawberries. And our tart shells came a little bit short, so we're gonna put only a little bit in and see how much it fills so that we have space for the strawberries. So if you have extra filling, you can use it for another thing like a pie or tart or whatever.
Now comes the fun part. We're gonna decorate our tarts with the strawberries.
This is my side. Don't touch any of these. Oh, this is gonna taste so
Guys, look, our work is done. Now for the delicious taste test.
Don't forget to say Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Try to get a piece of the strawberry.
I did. This is so good.
Very good.
The lemon curd.
Like as soon as you
filling.
as soon as you take a bite, it's like oozing out. It's so pretty.
The filling is really good. Not too much lemon. Just the right amount. Tarts. Just the right amount of the sugar. Not too much.
Jazakallahu khairan for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum.
Oh no! Is camera still on?